Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I am going to show you how to build a humanoid character figure. And I'm going to make it really low poly. I want to give you the basics so that you can get started on making your own characters. So, first of all, I'm going to change the name of this figure to figure, okay? Then I'm going to copy that, okay? And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to make a loop cut right here. I know this is going to be kind of a useless step in a moment, but I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm going to delete the vertices on one side. Okay, and then I'm going to put a mirror modifier on this. All right, and now I want to turn on clipping. Okay, so now we have our basic that we can start making the cube. Now we can go into edit mode, X vertices for a moment. Again, that was a pretty useless step I had there, but I had to at least show something. Okay, now I'm going to do control, right click. Sorry, that was going to be control left click here is what I wanted to do. Okay, that was shift right click. I do that, then what it does is it redoes the cursor. Okay, now I want to make a circle here. And I want to increase the radius. I'm going to set it up to, we'll do it to 8 right now. And I just want 8 vertices right now. Okay. So, do that. Okay. And then I'm going to start grabbing these. And just kind of move it, you know. So I press the G to do that. Okay. I'm going to go into vertex mode here. I'll do control, right click. There we go. And then I'm going to start building some very basic framework here just to do some legs. Okay. All right. And then I can also grab it, do a bunch of stuff there so that I just have something to kind of taper it, you know. Okay. So I just do control, right click here. Now I've got some merge vertices. I also want to do the same here. GX. Okay, there we go. GX. All right, so we got those merged. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay. All right, so now we get kind of got that. GX. Okay. GZ. Okay. So we kind of get something started there. GY. GY. Okay. And it kind of gives us like a real basic figure to go. And then I can scale Z at 0 on that. Okay. And then we just kind of grab it on the x-axis. And then we just want to make sure that those vertices will fuse where they need to. Okay. So what I like about the method of doing with the control right click is that the control right click just randomly puts stuff and it'll even like auto rotate your vertices and do all that cool stuff. It'll even do like previous vertices too, but sometimes it's not always the best, but it is a quick way to get things done. Okay. Okay, and so you just kind of keep this going. So you got like a body that's going to be good here. And you can always change things around once you've gotten your basic shape. Okay. So now, if I do a shift right click right over here, then I'll do another circle. And I'll do similar parameters, and I'm going to have it so that it aligns with the view. There we go. Okay. Then I'll try and do a real simple shape here. Scale it down. And that forms our shoulder. Okay. You can always straighten it out afterwards. Do all that stuff, you know. Honestly, I can say I don't like that position quite where it is, you know. Okay. Okay, so you just kind of do this as you get a little bit more comfortable with where you're going to have your positions here, okay? So, and then right here, if I just do a couple loop cuts, we'll do 3, let's say, right there, okay? And we just kind of scale it so that it'll fit into it. And then I can turn on the O to do a proportional edit. Okay, and I also like to have it where it's connected, so it only gets the connected vertices. That's one thing I've definitely learned over time, is that having the connected vertices option is really nice. Okay, alright. Oh yeah. There, then I don't have to check it every single time. Okay. And do the same thing on the back. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, then once we get that, thought I'd gotten that. Alright. And maybe some of my modeling is a little bit oversimplified, but it's getting the point across, you know? Okay. these guys. Just pull them over. GX. Same thing here. Okay. So now a lot of this stuff can be like quite tedious, but like once you get going, you just kind of get into the rhythm. Now right here, I have these vertices that I can start connecting as well. So, looking at these, I can take all these guys right here. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to do Control E, bridge edge loops. And I want to go into this, and I want to get rid of this vertex here. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to slide this by doing a Shift V. There we go. So right now we have the basics. I want to move this up here. Shift V. Okay. Now I'm going to start making the feet. Do that. And then, actually, here's what I'm going to do. Control F, grid fill. That's what I want. And that was a very simple grid fill. The simpler you can make them, the better. So scale Z, 0. GZ. Oh, yeah. Also, I want to go to here. Vertex. There we go. Now we're going to take these faces right up here. Okay, we'll press 3. All right. Okay. Okay, there we go. SX. All right. SZ. Okay. SX. So now we have those. So, got that. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing here, where we're going to take these guys. There we go. All right. Do another grid fill. And then we go up here. SY. Okay. Okay. Then we have a basic shape right there for our fingers. It's going to be a mitten, basically. We're not going to do anything basic or fancy here. Okay. Next, what I'll do is I'll go right here. Cursor to selected. Make another circle. Okay. Rotate this along the Y-axis. almost there now. All right. So now I'm going to go into here, and I want to get rid of this vertex. And then grid fill, or hello. Control E, bridge edge loops. That's what we want to do. All right, so now we go back into solid. Got everything pretty much set up except for the head. Okay, so we got 7 vertices right there. So, okay. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to make a very simple head. Okay. All right, same thing here. GX. There we go. SZ0. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to extrude this forward. Hello. All right. So, a little bit more here. There we go. All right, I'm going to bring this over. All right. And now I'm going to connect these guys. Okay, and then we got 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're going to add 3 vertices. And then once we get that all bridged up and all stitched up, then we got ourselves a nice model to go with. Something to start out on, you know? So, I can turn off the snap. Oh, hello. There we go. Okay. All right. Here we go. So, anyway, these are some ways to get started on making a humanoid figure. So, once you do that, what's really nice is that you'll be able to use these for multi-res sculpts and things like that, you know? There we go. Okay, I can do that, where I can add a little bit more. GY. Okay, there we go. So, do a little bit more, and then you have a very basic shape that you can use. There you go. Okay, and you can also add joints. Okay, there we go. So, alright, there we go. And then, just a little bit more here, so you got some leg joints. And then in the next video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how to do a very basic rig on these guys. So, and then kind of nice way to just kind of round things out so that not only are you going to be able to rig that, but you'll also be able to use it for animating it, posing it, doing all that cool stuff. Okay. So, anyway, like I say, these are some basics to get you going. So let me know in the comments what you think of this tutorial. Make sure that you like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and thank you so much for watching this episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. Have a great day, guys.